Hi friends, welcome to Jay's classes. I'm your Jay Shri. Today we are going to learn about plant senescence, which is a very basic process happening in all plants. Have you ever wondered why leaves change color and dry up, fall off, and wondered what exactly happened inside the plant? It is not getting old actually. It is a specific biological process called plant senescence. Today in this video, I'm going to break down what it means, why it happens, and how it works. Not in an elaborated way, but in a super simple way. I'm going to break down all the details, all the factors which is affecting the plant senescence, and the ready-made notes will be there at the end of the video. Hope you will like it and it will be useful for you. Let's move on to the whiteboard to discuss about it further. First, what is senescence? It is the final stage of plant's growth that leads to the complete loss of structure and function. What triggers it? The main parameter is the end of reproductive phase, when the plant stops making flowers or seeds. Next, how does this look in different plants? In annuals and biennials, the vegetative, reproductive, and senescent phases are very clear and easy to see. But in perennials, like big trees, it's harder to tell because the trees continuously renew their parts. Some parts die while new ones grow. Now, why does senescence happen? Scientists have four main theories. The first one is loss of metabolism. Cells slowly run out of essential nutrients. The second one is wear and tear. Cell parts wear out and break down over time. And the third one is toxicity. Harmful substances build up inside the cells. The fourth one is genetic damage. Mutated genes cause damage at specific age. Finally, what controls this entire process? It is regulated by plant hormones interacting with environmental factors like light and temperatures. And that's all for plant senescence. I hope you like this video and I really believe it is very useful for you for your preparation. If you want me to make any other videos and some other topics, just let me know in the comment box. I'll try to make one video, lecture videos about that particular topic. And remember, biology is very easy, very simple when you break it down into step-by-step concepts. It's not that complicated at all. Trust me, it's not that complicated. When you make it as a step-by-step concepts, it's very easy to memorize. You don't need to spend lots of energy and time to memorize these terms and all. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for learning with me on Jay's classes today. And keep practicing. Take care. I'll see you in next lesson. Bye-bye.